welcome to the latest broadcast from Adaptive Yoga Live. I hope you're enjoying so far. So today we're going to move on and do a couple of different things and build some of the movements we've learned together into a little sun salutation sequence at the end. So we'll have a very flowing feel, but we'll start off exactly the way we've been doing by grounding ourselves, setting ourselves comfortably into the chair first. Don't forget to get the props that you need. The really only essential one, as I say, is to have a strap, okay, or a scarf. You just find this stuff around the house, a scarf, a tie, a belt, whatever works. Have that beside you. We don't need it straight away, unless you've enjoyed wrapping it around the legs, in which case you can do that. Next thing, I'm quite tiny, so I always use a block underneath my feet. A book will do just fine. And to help you ground and to feel grounded through the sit bones and the connection through the inner thighs and the legs, you can use a block. Again, a good solid book will do. It's a grip just in between your thighs there, if that helps. But none of it's essential, as long as you can feel nice and steady. Okay, now, if you've got your strap, your scarf, the dog lead, not the dog, just its lead, grab it for now. If your shoulders are a bit tight, take the hands quite wide. You can always wiggle them a bit further in as we go. And then you take a breath in to lift that up. And breathe out. If you can, take the arms a little bit behind you without bending the elbows. Breathe in to come up. And breathe out to go down. Breathe in to lift. Breathe out, maybe take the arms a little bit further back. Breathe in to come up. Exhale down. So it's still very much breath-linked movement. Inhale up. Exhale, keep the back of the neck long as you do this. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale to lift up. Exhale, and let's just stay for a couple of breaths. Good. And then breathing in to come up above the head, breathe out to go down. Extra one this week. Turn your strap to a vertical line. So you've got your right hand down, your left arm up. Now, it's just going to go around a little bit to the side, come up behind your head, so it draws a bit of a circle, and then you've got your left arm down, your right arm up. And you just keep going with that horizontal line, come around to the side, vertical line, horizontal line above your head, vertical line. Now, if you're feeling autistic or you want to get a bit more mobility, you can maybe use the top of the body a little bit as well. Try not to swipe yourself in the face with a belt, which I'm about to do, and then sweep around. Good, and one more each side. So just getting what mobility you can. Last one. Good. All right, take that aside. Make sure you didn't hit yourself with that if you're using a belt. Good. Now, let's come into our gentle sun salutation. So we're going to drop the arms down. All we're going to do is link some of the movements together that we've been doing. That's all it is. So breathing in to lift the arms all the way up. Breathe out, open the arms to the sides this time, drop your head and just see if you can curl your spine a little way. Obviously don't put yourself in any risk of falling here. And then inhale, build your vertebrae up again, stacking them one on top of the other. Exhale, go into your twist. Let's take a couple of breaths here. Inhale. Exhale a bit deeper if you can, but don't force it. Breath in. And again, turn the head if you like. Breathe in to come back to center. Breathe out to relax. And then inhale the arm up. Exhale over to the side. Inhale up. Exhale back down. All right, other side, breathing in to lift up. If you can't go all the way up, You might just come to here. And exhale to roll your way down from there. So there's an alternative. And then breathe in to come up. And breathing out to twist. Breath in to stay there. Breath out to go a little bit deeper. Breath in to come back. Breath out to relax. Here we go. Side stretch the other side. Inhale up. Exhale, little bend. Inhale up. Exhale to come back. Good. Now, this time we're going to go again, but we're going to add in from last week, cow and cat. So do you remember this, where we're arching the spine and then curving? I'm going to take my block away now so I can turn sideways and show you. So your cow, just when the back arches, you know how a cow's back dips? Your cat, well, that's quite obvious, isn't it, when it rounds its back. So you round as much as you can. If you can get your whole spine to move, do. If it's just the top part, well, that's fine too. Okay, so let's add that in. And we're not going to hold the twist this time. We're going to move through the breath. So it will have quite a dance-like quality, I hope. So inhale to lift. Exhale, open the arms, tuck your head in and roll. Inhale to come up. Exhale to twist. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, down. Inhale to lift the arm up. Exhale to go over. Inhale. Exhale. Cow pose. Inhale to arch. Exhale to curve. Inhale to lift all the way up. Going to the other side. Exhale, open, tuck your head in, curve your way just to where you can go. Inhale, lift from the belly to build the vertebrae up. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to set. Inhale to lift. Exhale to go over. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to arch the spine. Exhale to curve. Good, guys. Wonderful. So, one last one. This time, we're going to add on a couple of other things that we've done before. The side stretch is going to be a little bit different. You're going to put your arms in to the cow and cat, and the side stretch is going to draw a circle. You know what? Just go with this. That's all I can say. Do what you can. Moving with the breath. Inhale up. Exhale, tuck your head in, roll your way down. Inhale to come up. Everything you know. Exhale to twist. Inhale to come back to center. Exhale to set. Inhale to lift the arm up. Exhale to draw a little circle. Round, take the other arm up. Come back. Here we go. Inhale to arch, push the arms back. Exhale to curve. Inhale to come up to center. Exhale, you're ready for the second side. Really well, guys. Inhale to lift up. Exhale, roll your face down your body. Inhale to come up. Exhale, twist to your other side. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, set. Breathe in, sweep up. Draw a little circle so as one arm comes down, the other one takes over. Come all the way back up. Here we go. Inhale to push away. Exhale, belly button back, curve into a cat. Good. Inhale to come up. Exhale to stay. Really good, guys. I hope that felt all right. It's quite a lot to put together, wasn't it? So again, always go with what you can do. There's never any pressure. Let's take a breath in, and we're just going to finish with a hug. So wrap your right arm over your left. So instead of eagle pose, we'll do a nice hug. I love this. If you can get your hands to your shoulders, draw them down and just draw your head down. Oh, sigh your breath out. Again, maybe gently nod or shake your head. Just to see if there's any tension there. Breathe into the space between your shoulder blades. And then you can inhale to open your arms. Exhale, wrap the other one. So left elbow on top now. If you can get your hands to your shoulders, use your hands to draw your shoulders down. And then again, curve. And gently build your way up. Should have felt that through the middle of the back between your shoulder blades. Good. Just coming to set your breath again now, guys. Inhaling. Going back to that equalizing breath we had at the beginning. Take the help of a little internal count if that is better for you. And just be aware of your inhalation and exhalation. Good. Let's bring our hands gently into prayer. Join in with me if you can. A nice long Om. Sending wishes out to everyone, to humanity, but particularly remember those who are not well, those who are bereaved, those who are working so hard to help us, not just in the NHS, who are incredible, but all our key workers. And receive those wishes back for yourself as well. So we send healing out into the world and we receive the healing back. A deep breath in. Namaste.